Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scholar Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you how you can find sessions and build your agenda for the upcoming family reunion. And you can do this all from your KW Command mobile app. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find your KW Command app within your mobile device. So you should be able to find your KW Command app. Looks similar to the one here on the center of my screen. It's going to be a red square with a white KW, and it should say Command under it. We're going to go ahead and click into that. Now, as you can see, we are already signed in to the account here, so we're automatically pulled in. At the very top, you're going to see that there's now a new little banner currently. It says Winning Strategies Start at FR25. Join us in Vegas, February 17th through the 21st. Now, you can click View Event or Dismiss. But I also want to kind of guide you through how you can find the sessions and all of the other details within your Command app. So for today's tech tip, we want to click the three lines in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, when we do that, you'll see that KW has included a new little option there that says Family Reunion 2025. We're going to go ahead and select that. Now, from here, you can register if you haven't yet. You can also include your ticket if you've already purchased a ticket. You can go ahead and go through that process. But you'll see here it's showing featured sessions here at the bottom that we can kind of scroll through. If we scroll up to the top though and look at this banner, you'll see we have the home screen, which is what we're currently on for Family Reunion. You'll see next to that we have sessions. Now we can kind of go through this and look at these different sessions that are coming up. We can also go to different days of the week based on family reunion dates and see those different sessions that are going to be available. Once we find one that we're going to go ahead and attend, we can go ahead and click that little check mark or that little bookmark, and that is going to allow you to say that the session was added to your agenda. Once we do that, if we go to the next one that says My Agenda, you're going to see that here on your agenda for that specific day. Now, if we click into that, it's going to give you a little bit more information. It says the date, the time, who the speakers are, some tags based on who this is, set for. We can also click this little general session, and it even gives you a map. So this is super awesome if you're attending family reunion this year, because I don't know about you, it's really hard to navigate sometimes when you are in these facilities. So having it here within the Command app is amazing. We can go back, we can look at speakers. It'll kind of give you an idea of all of the different speakers. So if you're looking for someone specific, you can come here and look. If you want to look at the different vendors and things that are going to be here, you should be able to look through these and kind of search. If we go back to sessions though, let's say you're looking for something specific. If you want to look for commercial sessions, you can filter that. As you can see, it has tags that show specifically that those are great sessions for commercial agents. Let's see if we have some other options. Oops, not sure if they have. So markets and leaders, if you're looking for specific sessions, you can search by that. We can also just do agent. If you're looking for agent things, these will say agent, mastermind, all of that good stuff. So this is awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited for this. One last thing we can take a look at is they have this map down here. You can view that for all of the levels. So if you just want to take a look at the map and get familiar with that, you can check that out as well. And lastly, if you'd like to share your agenda with someone else, you can click those three little dots in the top right corner and go ahead and share your agenda with someone else directly from the Command app. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@scholarlymarketing.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.